Let's see. This is the final attempt for myself and si Doy. If we can really be teammates. So as of now, our lifetime standing or our lifetime record is 0-7, I think. So tayo, magkakampi ulit kami, magtu-2v2 kami. So here in Philippine Navy, since medyo maraming players, we'll be starting this video here sa hole number 7. Ayan. So magkampi kami ni Doy. Last attempt, brother. This is the last attempt. Ayan, playing again with playing with again si Doy. Morning, brother. Good luck sa atin.
Last attempt.
Last
Pag
attempt.
hindi pa kayo manalo, mag-file na kayo ng TRO.
Ganun na nga. And si Mitch, yan. Sila the couple ang kaming kalaban. Brother, kahiya-hiya naman. Kahit dikit lang natin. Tapusin natin hanggang 18. Ayan, tapos si Weng. Hi, Weng.
Good morning.
Game.
Wala, hindi pangit laro ko ngayon, bro.
Yun, nakapalo din siya.
Ganda. Nice, brother.
Nagpapakagat na naman. Okay. Mitch and Andrew taking Mitch's first shot, tee shot. Okay lang, GR. Kick right.
Ilan pa to, Brian?
Okay, Drew and Mitch left with around 170 yards. Okay lang, maaga pa, brother. Okay, we're left with 150 yards.
Yung tanong mo sa
Taking my tee shot. Hindi, mas naalala ko better short dito eh.
kick right.
Right.
Kalan mo.
Kick right.
Salami na sila nito.
Safe pa rin.
Mitch and Andrew. Ewan ko, parang kaliwa. Ay, oo. So may fringe area.
Kick right.
Bite.
Stop.
Oh, si Mitch lang went over. Go. Nice shot, Drew. Tapos na ang pakagat, 2 tira lang. Okay, taking my second shot. 11 yards. Looks like it's slightly left to right. Ako ang strategy namin ni Doy, ako muna. Okay, mali ako. Right to left pala. Mga kakalahating grip.
Opo.
Okay.
Ganda naman.
Ay, ang bilis.
Ay, ang bilis ah.
Hit na pin. Pasok.
Bilis. Come on!
Sabi ko na, sabi, alakarin na naman tayo.
Kaya sabi ko, sure na naman to.
Nakakaya naman pag nabugi kami.
Yes. Nice one. Nice one.
Okay, practice na lang ni Doy. Nag-alangan pa kami doon. Okay. Grabe, bara clutch shot by Mitch. That was for their par. Parehong par. So all square pa rin.
Okay. Nice.
So sabi sa'yo, hindi pa rin talaga tayo lamang eh. Hindi tayo llamado. Di ba tama yun eh? Llamado, yung term na ganun. Okay. Hole number 8, all square. Hole number 8, playing 153 yards. Hitting a 9 iron. Ayan na, wala na. Hole in 1 pa.
All in one pa.
Hole in 1 muna nga.
Shot, brother.
Okay, patong.
Wow naman yan.
Buti nilang clutch kakampi ko. Babait yan.
Go.
Ay, bunker.
Bakit?
Paborito din niya, sir.
Kanan lang. Alright. Okay, so taking my tee shot, medyo hit it off the toe. Left with 30 yards. Sayang si Doy kasi ganda ng linya ng kay Doy eh. Short lang ng mga 3 yards eh. So, try to, not sure if I can nip this kasi medyo umuulan daw all night. Tapos patong na sila Andrew for their birdie. Back of the green.
Maganda yan.
Bite.
Bite. Bite.
Malakas.
Mahina lang.
Uy, okay lang.
Gusto ko sa fix sa tingin.
Bite.
Pastin parehas. This is okay, they're in for par. So must make kami to avoid going 1 down. Andrew to outright win the hole to go 1 up.
Kita na.
Okay. Okay, shout out ulit. Okay, we have to make this to avoid going 1 down.
Sabi ko, may tao na sa
Pating
likod.
ball.
Sila,
Kanan ano?
sila mo.
Opo, anong gamitin mo?
Pating
Pagalan
ba?
natin.
Patar na. 8. Medyo mabilis ano.
Sa pusta.
Nasa akin ba? Nakita mo, halos isang grip bibigay ko, Doy. Ito na lang.
Kanan.
Oh.
Maganda yan. Tama doon. Ayun nga pala no. Oo.
Ganda oh.
Ay, nako, okay. 1 down na kagad kami. Okay, so hole number 9. 511 yards. Medyo pangit yung pares naming second shot ni Doy. Ganda. Wala na, uminit na.
Wala na, patay na tayo.
Kaya nga eh. Siya yung nagsasabi na,
Wow.
nice shot. Siya yung nag-aaya na pwede daw magstay doon.
So nice shot. Ay. Kick right. Come on.
Taking my she shot, tee shot sa left. Currently 1 down. Okay. Hitting hybrid.
Ganda.
Ganda rin. Ayan na. Okay. Andrew and Mitch. Taking Andrew's tee shot. Tumira na si Mitch in the middle of the fairway. Just laying up lang to course management. Nice shot, Drew. Good shot, brother. Okay, taking my second shot. We're left with 102 yards. I'll just hit a full 60. Hindi, feeling ko sakto naman yata ngayon 60. Kaliwa ng konti.
60. Kaliwa. Right.
Regulado maganda rin kapala.
Hindi na talaga.
Short na.
In between talaga eh. Oh, hindi, 90 lang kasi talaga ang signal ko. Okay lang, okay lang. Andrew and Mitch, second shot. Taking Andrew's tee shot. They're left with around
Kick right.
95 yards to go.
Yep, go.
Okay, 90 pala, 90 yards. They're left with 90 yards. Putting for birdie naman pala kami. Kaliwa lang. So sila Mitch and Drew, they're also putting for birdie, taking Andrew's tee shot. Kami, we're also putting for birdie, left to right, 10 paces.
Do it!
Doy, muntik na naman tayo. Grabe, ang bilis mag-putt ni Mitch. Alam mo, nakuha ko na yung backstroke na, ay yung take away na. Oo.
Pwede wow.
Talaga, Doy. Meron talaga tayong sumpa. Sinasabi ko, naniwala na ako. Buti hindi pa tayo nag-Olympics.
Ilagay mo na sa kotse. May lakad ako, may lakad.
Dodok, saan yung bigay nyo?
Yung din, oh.
Sobra.
Hindi tuloy yung
Hindi ganun kalaki.
Hina.
Alright, 2 down na kami. Hole number 10. Playing 100. 2021 ba? Hindi ko sure eh. Playing 135 yards. Hulin man muna, Doy. 250,000. Uy! Nice shot, Doy! Dikit si Doy. Dikit, dikit. Go.
Wow.
Himala, nasa gitna kami, wala kami sa kaliwa.
Pakaliwa pa rin naman. We are already putting for birdie. Pag na-hole out pa ulit nila to, ewan ko na. Na-hole out na naman nga, Doy! Doy! Scaring the hole!
Nice.
Malakas lang. Good try. Okay, we have this spot for birdie to go one down. Go, go, go. To win the hole. It looks like right to left. They're putting for birdie. They're putting for par, kami for birdie. Okay, kalahating grip. Mabilis ano with the grain?
Okay, sir.
So mabagal. Bawas. Okay. Mitch and Andrew to half the hole to stay to up. Uy, laylay lang. Doon na lang tayo umaasa, no? Nice spot. Okay, all square. Nice spot, brother. Oo.
Oh my golly.
Okay, hole number 11. We are still currently 2 down. 295 yards. Okay. So, through 4 holes, 2 down. Talagang
Drive mo to.
may sumpa pa rin kami ni Dodoy.
Wow.
Nice shot, brother. Nice shot. Nice shot. Safe yata yan. Ay, tumama.
Ah,
Nice shot.
crispy.
Beauty.
Crispy.
Ganito naman yung nangyari sa atin. Match natin. Okay, they are taking Mitch's tee shot left with 150 yards. Ay. Balik, balik. Ayun, bumalik nga! right of the bunker. Okay, we're taking Doy's tee shot left with 123 yards, hitting a 50-degree wedge. Ay, kaliwa.
Kick right na.
Wala. Hindi, kaliwa. Sobra yata nga eh. Sobra. Draw, draw. Huwag ka mag-bunker. Okay lang, brother. Okay, Mitch. They're taking Andrew's second shot. Mahina lang. But still make a ball for the Cortezes. Okay, they have that for par. Okay, so Andrew's attempt around 20 yards, 25 yards. Ay, nabola. Okay, because they're taking feeling ko mas maganda yan, Drew. Bibigyan namin kayo ng read eh. Yung paakyat, diba? Tapos yung biglang bababa dun. Okay, 12 paces for birdie. Mukha namang left to right.
Huh? Right to left yan, sir.
Mukha namang right to left.
Right to left.
Maliit lang, ano? Right to left pala. Ah, sa bagay yung bugbog ng damo. Ha? Hindi, baliktad. Ako yung nagbibigay ng chance.
Ang lakas. Yun. Pababa
Uy.
talaga.
Kasama yun. Rick.
Pasok. Baka score tayo. Baka. Baliktad ang nangyari. Ikaw ang Mitch and Andrews, par putt to stay 2 over. Ay, 2 over. To stay 2 up.
Come on now.
Ang bilis. Wala ka pressure. Ay, nako, nice putt, Mitch.
Tinitignan mo pala.
Meow, 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 meow. Wala tayong magagawa, brother. Ang galing talaga ng mga Cortez.
Walang practice putting. Wala.
Ang bilis nga eh.
Sinisilip ko pa nga lang yung linya na nakapat.
Ako naman natuto na ako, hindi ko na pinos.
Tama talaga ako.
Naka-record na.
Tama talaga ako kagabi. Ako yung magpapatsimit.
Ay, nako. Okay, talagang the Cortezes are clutch against the Raimundos and the Malyaris. So hole number 12, we're still 2 down. 150 yards. Hindi na-shoot eh, di ba? Hit 150 yards hitting a 9 iron. Go pa, go. Hindi, parang abot na abot. Short na.
Bakit?
Favorite.
Nice shot.
One more time, baby.
Come on.
Kanan lang.
Pin high. Good shot.
Nice shot, brother.
What a shot.
Parang may konting may something eh. A little right.
Bakit? Nice.
Mayroon nga, may chance na naman daw. Ay, nako. Sino may mukha ni Doy? Ay, nako. Kaya nga. Hindi. Ay, nako. Ganda rin eh. A little left. Oh, make a ball. Doy, mas make na naman tayo. Bigyan ko ng isang cup.
Mag-last lang po.
Okay, this one to win the hole. Come on. Sige brother, tanggalin mo na.
Malakas.
Easy birdie putts na yun. 10 tsaka dito.
Ay nako, okay. This one to half the hole again for par. Nice putt. Meow, 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 meow. Alright, hole number 13, 489 yards. So we're currently still 2 down. Clutch yung mga putt nila. Hindi kami maka 1 putt. Good shot, Doy! Okay. Pwedeng gettable. Hindi. Nice shot, Doy. Ganda. Ay, nag-bleed lang right. Playable yan. Sumabit ba?
Ooh, ay sayang.
Open? Open? Mahirap din. 130 daw kung sa ibabaw mo kukunin. Ayan, baka pwede. May chance, okay. Okay, we're taking Doy's tee shot. Sayang nandun yung akin. Pero mahirap daw to go for it. So, if safe si Doy, I might hit na lang my 3 wood. Try to go for it na. Pero it's 250 pa to the green. Or to the cup. Okay, good shot, brother. 3 wood na natin. Pero hindi patong, pero lagpas na. Okay, Mitch and Andrews third shot. That is Andrew's second shot. So they're left with mga around 160 pa siguro to the pin. Medyo short lang si Mitch. Okay, lay up right before the water. Ganda! Nag-draw lang sa dulo. Okay, they're on the green. And taking my second shot. This is to go up and down for a birdie, hopefully. So 30 yards. Left to right to wing, di ba?
Opo.
Mabilis. Gano'n kalaki sa kaliwa?
Ang punong
Ito yung ganyan. Ako nga, yun yung iniisip ko eh. Yung katabi ng bakal? Okay. Kung 30 mga tirang 20. Doy, i-aim ko dun sa puno na katabi ng bakal. Ang laki. Hindi, laki ng binigay ko. Masyadong kaliwa. Sobrang mas kaliwa pa. Ako sobrang kaliwa naman.
kabig.
Okay lang, brother. Okay, Mitch and Andrew for birdie. If they make this, top, quit na.
Wow, come on.
In for par, must make. Good putt, good putt. Okay na, Mitch. Kulang. Grabe naman. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, must make just to go one down. Kulang na. Okay, we were not able to birdie that. Sayang. Okay, so they're still currently 2 up dito sa 14th hole. Maganda yung tira ni Mitch. Beside the bunker on the right, or right before that bunker. Nice shot, Mitch! Okay, hole 14. 510 yards. Ay, nako. We're not playing bad. Di lang talaga ma-shoot yung mga putt. 4 Jong! Okay lang. Good shot, brother. Up. Wow! Uy! Kanan lang. Mitch and Andrew. Ay, magpa-video ni Mitch eh. Sabi ni Andrew, tumira na. So, they're safe. Tapos si Andrew might go for it. Uy, nag-plead right. Dito sa right. We are taking my tee shot. We are left with 240. And si Doy will lay up. Tapos if ever I'll go for it with a hybrid. Ganda yan. Perfect yan, Doy. Perfect. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker. Kaliwa naman, parang kaliwa lang ng bunker. Good shot, brother. Good shot, good shot. Nice shot.
Go for it.
Oh, subok.
Patay.
Uy, buti hindi tumama.
Pero alam ko maganda yung... Ayan, ay bunker nga. Bunker nga kami. Okay. Umasa na lang tayo, medyo in trouble sila. There in the woods. Third shot. To go over those trees. Ay, short lang, nakast. We might have an opening. 120. Ay, oo nga. Okay, we are taking Doy's second shot. We're 47 yards to the flag. We might have a chance dito. Pero kasi nasa puno pa rin sila, Andrew. So this is our third shot. Ay, nabola. Patong mo lang. Patong mo lang. Tama na. Okay, left. Wait! Okay, 15 yards we're taking Dodoy's third shot. This is to go up and down for par. Up and down for bogey na yata sila eh. Ganda. Ganda. Pasok mo na. Okay. Wag lang sila mal-hole out. Nakuha natin to. Okay, okay. We're in for par. We're in for par and 1 point. By Mitch for par if they make this short. First time pinagbigyan tayo ni Mitch. That's also for par, di ba? Ay, oo nga. For par yan, di ba? Bigyan mo naman kami ng mercy, brother. Okay, this is for par. Again to half the hole. Nako, Doy! Nako, Doy! Okay, finally we won a hole. Yay! Doy, celebrate. Magpapaano ako? Spirals ako. Sarado na eh. Okay, 1 down. Okay, hole number 15. Finally, we won a hole. We are now 1 down. So 1 up na lang. 1 up pa rin sila Mitch and Andrew. So last par 5 here sa back 9. Good shot. Nice shot, Mitch. Okay lang. For right! Wow!
Yeah.
Wow!
Ganyan.
All square. Ay, nag-bleed lang. Okay, Mitch and Andrew second shot. Malayo pa. So might be paying up.
Nice.
Ayun na, maganda rin yung mga patama.
Good shot.
Ganyan lang, Mitch, wag sa putting. Andrew going for it. To the pin, it's 254 yards. So hitting his 3 wood. Ganda ng linya. Right before the bunker. Okay, taking my tee shot. Ilang yards pa tayo, Dodong? 180. Okay. I might hit a 7 iron. Or a 6. Okay lang, brother. Kaliwa lang. Huwag kang papasok sa bunker. Okay. Ganda, brother. May angulo tayo dun. Nice shot. Nice shot. Ay, kabig. Ganun din doon. Pares tayo. Mitch and Andrew left with 50 yards. They are taking Andrew's second shot to go up and down for their birdie. Then nung dry conditions at wet conditions, no, a little left short. Olympian. Go. Medyo short. Baba. Ganda.
Sobrang right yung, sobrang left yung team ko.
We are taking Doy's second shot. We are 28 yards to the flag. Mine was GUR kasi yung drop area pangit. So left to right, 28 yards, mga tirang 20. Malaki sa kaliwa. Ganda yan, Doy. Maganda yan, Doy. Baba. Baba. Sobra lang. Ang bilis talaga.
Abala.
Kulang lang sa kaliwa. Ang laki. Both teams putting for birdie. Kulang.
Oh, thank you, Lord.
Down ulit kami. Naku, maganda na naman. That's good, that's good. Okay. Brother, our motto as a teammates, must make. Oo, halos walang bali yan eh, uphill. Yung brother? Left inside. Oh, alam ko walang bali ito masyado eh. Tas firm talaga. Kuha. Yay! Finally! Pa-practice nga. Yay! Okay, all square. Alright, so hole number 16. Finally, we won that hole. We're all square with that birdie. From the blue tees, it's 110 yards against the wind. So si Mitch, 100 yards. Ganda, Mitch! Ang ganda! Uy, sobra! Shumot sa letter O! Kanan lang. Ay! Bunkerots!
Favorite?
Landed in the bunker. Kaliwa lang.
Huwag mo lang i-bunker, dalhin mo na kahit saan, huwag mo lang i-bunker. Ay, salamat. Hole in one. Hole in one mo na. Yes!
Ay! Sayang! Ganda ng linya!
Kung nagsobra sana, kung sumobra tapos ba?
Lee, di ko na naman na-videohan. Na-shoot ni Mitch from the outside ang putt. Okay, they're down. They made birdie. Okay. Okay, our motto, brother, as teammates, ano ba ulit? Mas make na naman kami. Hindi ko na-videohan, sayang. Okay, but Mitch made that putt. So we are forced to make this putt again. So this is just to half the hole. Ay, nako.
Ayaw naka-green, tayo pa naghahapon.
Ay, nako ka. Okay, right to left. Okay, must make. 6 spaces. Doon sa unang putol sa kanan ng tingin ko. Left. Okay, left to right daw. Mali pa pala ang basa ko. Okay. Basta firm, brother. Wala na tayong choice. Kailangan talaga may chance. Mahina lang. Okay! Nice spot. Okay. Yung nice spot, Mitch. Wala kayong puso sa mga friends. Hindi, at least agad yung laban. Diba? Pero yung pang build namin ng confidence, hindi rin. Nice spot, brother.
Parang yung
All square.
sa amin din ni Fred, hindi mo i-expect pero...
Nasa-shoot, diba? Pero galing, nakakatuwa nga eh. Dapat isama nyo kami sa tournament nyo eh. Pag gusto. Okay, hole number 17. Okay, we are still all square. Clutch putt by Mitch. Buti lang clutch putt din si Doy. It's playing 180 yards against the fan. Okay, so after balin ng rangefinder, it's playing 165 yards. So either a 6 or a 7 iron. Ganda. Ganda. Short? Ganda, tama. Stop cutting! Stop cutting! Okay, safe. Good shot, bro. Ganda na. Ay, ramdam kong full. Four left!
Nice shot.
Ay, nako. Ayan, baka pwede na. We're taking Doy's tee shot. Mine went left, kabilang buta sa 18th hole. Andrew and Mitch, they're in the bunker. So we have 27 yards to the flag. No green to work with. Left to right. Go! Tama na. Okay, thank you.
Go!
Hina lang.
Okay.
Andrew and Mitch, they have around 10 yards to work with. No green to work with. Ganda! Whole lot nga oh! Huwag mo nang turuan! Tuturuan pa.
Ayos, nakakita tayo na.
Since ayoko ng pressure, gusto yung good. Sumuko na. Okay, we have this par putt. Magkadikit lang kami. Tuturuan namin sila. Oh, hindi ganun kalaki ito, Doy.
short lang, short lang.
Good putt,
Yun na yung lang.
Good putt, Doy.
Kuha.
Yes!
Kuha.
Nice.
Balik.
Okay, they have the spot to avoid going one down. Pero we showed them the speed and the where to aim. Nakuha nga. Uy! Okay, okay. Okay, Drew, to avoid going one down. Clutch talaga. First time. Okay, we are finally one up. We can breathe a little. We can breathe a little.
Good putt, good putt.
Thank you, brother. Celebrate natin to, brother. Yay! We're finally one up! Woohoo! Okay, hindi pa tapos. Maaga pa. Focus pa rin. Concentrate. Tanggalin ang sumpa. Okay, hole number 18. 380 yards. We need to lay up lang. Forced lay up. So hitting a pitching wedge.
Nice shot. Nice brother.
Sino sa'yo, Doy?
Nasa, pati ba something?
Ayun.
Yes. Quick, quick. Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Okay, Andrew, second shot. Ganda!
Nice shot, brother.
Ganda! Short lang. We are left with 250 yards.
Yun. Nice shot. Right, kick right. Kick right. Hindi naman gumag.
Okay. Ganda! Maganda! Walang ya. Hindi kailangan. Muli! Muli! Ay naku, mas make na naman kami. Or hit need to keep it close. We need to be clutch. Nice shot, Mitch! Ay naku. Hinahamin egg eh. Hirap kami. Hirap na hirap kami. Okay kami naman. Using my... Yan! Okay! Maganda rin! Yun! Okay, okay. Make a ball. Okay, good, good. Nice shot, brother. Okay. Good, 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 good. Ano, sige, pat na lang. Ay, kayo bahala pala. Okay. At least, nice clutch shot ni Doy. We're 18 yards taking my second shot. So, dadagdagan ko pa sa kaliwa. Flyer. Alright, so finally, we are one up. Good kami dun sa putt sa last hole, sa hole 18. So hole number 1, we are, si Doy, ang strategy namin, he will lay up. If safe na siya, I will go for it. Ayan, shout out to the friends. Ito na pala yung Muligang eh. The Muligang. Okay, the Muligang. The Muligangsters.
O, safe oh. Yun, tatawid. Safe, safe. Tawid. Ako na muna.
Ganda. Ganda, makabod. Baka minsan lang tayo manalo, hindi pa natapos.
One up na naman kayo eh.
Kahit abutin tayo ng gabi, antayin natin yan.
Yun oh. Long drive
Yun
champion
na,
eh.
tawid na.
Abot bro. Abot na, abot. Ay! Safe.
Ayun, nandun natin sa dulo. Enjoy bro. Next na ba kayo sa amin?
Hindi, meron pa. Nice.
Tawid. Nice shot, Mitch. Good shot.
Pwede na.
Okay, we are taking Doy's tee shot. Mine almost carried. Alright, pero landed right before the water. Ganda! Nice shot, Doy. Okay.
pwede, palo ka ulit. Hindi pa pwede.
Ganda, Drew. Beautiful. Huwag ka lang mas timey dyan. Next timey yan.
Hindi yata yun dun sa ilan.
Kiklip. Okay, so we are taking Doy's second shot. This is to go up and down potentially for a birdie. We're left with 130 yards to the flag. I'm in between a pitching wedge and a 50-degree wedge. Tingnan lang natin kung ano tira ni Doy. Ganda, Doy! Parang hindi ko na nga kailangan tumira eh. Go! Ay, short. Ay, behind. Chunky. Ulanan din. Okay. So, Andrew and Mitch took their third shot already. Si Drew went over. Okay, they had to take Mitch's second shot. Third shot pala. It's a little short. Around 30 yards to the flag. Ganda na naman! Ang ganda na naman! Ay, sobra lang. Okay. Little. Ganda. Ay! Nagland lang sa front of the... Okay, we're taking Doy's second shot. Ano na ba to? Tama, second shot. So this is to go up and down for par pala to, no? For par. I mean, up and down for par. Ano to, right to left? Left to right. Ang lakas. Go! Nice shot, Doy. Okay, so Mitch and Andrew, they have this putt for par. Yeah, parehas kaming putting for par. Clutch talaga si Mr. Cortez. Not giving us any inch. Buti pa si Mrs. Cortez mabait. Isa pang cup, isa pang kailan.
Labas lang.
Nice putt, brother. Hole number 2, we are still one up. We were able to have that hole. So hole number 2, 447 yards. It's still drizzling na lang a little. Ganda! Beautiful shot! Cut. Sige pa, cut. Nice shot. Totoong nice shot yun ah. Pero kung...
Ay, yun ang solid.
Four left! Okay, sayang walang roll. Si Drew and Mitch are left with 200 yards to the flag. They need to slightly draw the golf ball kasi yung pin is here. Tapos may puno dito. Pwede naman attack.
Nice shot.
Nice shot. Good shot, Mitch. Okay, Andrew. Ay, masyadong kanan lang. So we're left with 185 yards taking my tee shot. I'm considering either a 6 or a 5 iron. Pero parang 6 na lang. Better short dito. No? Okay lang. Basa naman kasi talaga, brother eh. Okay lang. Middle of the fairway naman. Ah, hindi nag-draw. Oy, huwag ka sa bunker. Take right. Tama na.
Yun.
83 yards to the flag for Mitch and Andrew. Ganda, kaliwa lang. Pero patong yan. Uy, wow! Nice shot, Mitch! Clutch na naman ang mga Cortez. Nice shot, Mitch. Ganda rin! Maganda din! What a shot! we are taking my second shot. Left with 21 yards. Left to right. Okay, brother. Ganda yan. Okay. Nice shot, brother.
Naku, parang against the grass.
Okay. 7 paces uphill. Firm. May +1 pa ba? Basta firm lang, ano? Ha? Diretso? Ako tingin ko kanan din eh. Magsa-side hill to eh. This is to save par. Halos di rin nga bumali, ano?
Tignan mo yung damo, pakanan.
Ay! Nanangay rin. Kumanan din kagad yung akin. Mitch and Andrew to win the hole. To go back. To get the match back to all square. Bumali sa dulo. Di pa give yan ha? Hindi, joke lang. That's good. That's good, Mitch. Okay, all square pa rin pala. Okay, one
One up.
we try.
Kayo.
Oh, half. Sorry, half hole pala.
Yeah, half.
Okay, we are still currently one up. Mahirap talaga yung putt namin parehas. Side hill. So we're left, hole number 3, it's playing 180 yards. Putt money is 300 plus thousand. Nilagyan mo ng puwersa yun, nakita ko yung pag-push up mo eh.
Yan na, brother. Oh, wow. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Kick right.
Wala talaga.
Yan yung may pag-asa, brother.
Awat mo. Ay, sayang. Ganda ng distance.
Okay, Mitch and Andrew. This is to go up and down for par. They are taking Andrew's tee shot. Ayun ka na naman! May chance pa rin. Ganda yan. Maganda yan. Ay, mas make tayo ulit. Doy, to win.
Bakit?
Hindi, mas make to win.
To win.
To go 2 up. Okay, we have this birdie putt. Nice shot, Drew. Ay, joke lang pala. We have 7.5 paces for our birdie. Hopefully to go 2 up. Oh, kaliwa oh. Ina, Luigi!
Tama alawan.
Sabi ko pa man din pa-firm ko.
1 up pa rin.
Okay, hole number 4. We are still 1 up. Napakahina ng putt na yun. Okay, sayang. Uy.
Solid ng
Go!
striking ni Doy.
Ano ba, Dorby tuloy mas timing.
Wow.
Solid na ulit.
You're another. Solid na ulit. Ganda, brother.
Ganda.
Tinalo ko yung kay Luigi yung isang araw. Lumulusot yung club eh. Dito ramdam ko.
Ganyan na irons ko eh, Diamante.
Ganun.
Kaya,
Okay, we're taking my tee shot right off the fairway. Other fairway, 143 yards. The challenge is to get it over this tree. So si Doy will punch out. Ako will try to hit it over the tree. Ganda! Go mo lang, huwag ka mas-timey. Ilang yards pa kayo, Drew? 105. Taking Andrew's tee shot. They have an opening. Parehong pangit yung amin ni Doy. Hindi, malalim yung ano eh. Kapal ng damo. Clutch talaga. Clutch talaga. Okay, they're putting for birdie. Nice shot. Okay, 30 yards. We need to hit this close to avoid getting the match all square. 36 yards. Left to right. Downhill. No green to work with. They're in for putting for birdie. Ganda.
Ay, naku!
We need to hit this close. Kami ni Doy kasi, ha? We need to make par. Ito na lang kay Doy. We're taking Doy's. I tried to flop it. Kinulang ako ng mga 5 yards. Okay, no way to stop this. Subok. Bahala na. Pero right to left. Mabilis pa rin, no?
Wala talaga.
Mag-iimbento ako. This is where the pin is. I'm aiming here. Papa-trickle down. Kulang pa, oh. Andrew and Mitch for birdie. Kami we're putting for bogey na. Mukhang baka nakuha nila tong butas na to. Maganda. Kuha.
Dali. Dali.
Okay. Kuha na lang. All square.
Wala na.
Eh, pat dyan. Tsaka igigib na natin.
Malay.
Oh, maganda ang laban. We missed our chance. May pa-dormi-dormi pa kaming iniisip ni Doy. We're back to all square. Nag-aalangan pa kami. Oo, nag-aalangan pa kami. Okay. From the blue tees, it's playing 117 yards. So from the reds, siguro mga 90.
Patay na naman tayo. Yan.
Bunker.
Oh! Tama na. Okay, nice shot.
Nice shot. Yun!
Ganda.
Huli naman mo na!
Tinapos ni Doy
Please!
yung laban.
Yes! Nice one,
Ganda.
Doy! Woo! Buti na lang! Good. Clutch din talaga. Short lang.
Tess, why are you? Why are you?
Ay,
Clutch.
Yan.
Ganda niyan.
Ay, parang shot.
okay, whoever wins this hole, both teams are putting for birdie. They're just slightly further. Whoever wins this hole, dormi na, panalo na.
Come on.
Ah, yung heart ko, muntik na naman. We need to get rid of this curse na magkampi kami ni Doy na hindi na nanalo. Parang na ano? Parang na behind? Oo. Parang tumingin ka kagad. Bait mo, friend. Okay, bro, ito na yung pag-asa nating manalo. Promise. Kaso, ganyan kalaki? Tapos ilalaylay mo doon? So doon mo rin din dadal. We need to be clutch. We need to be clutch. We need to be clutch. Naku. Justin, okay na. May kabol na yan. Come on, down to the last hole. It's either, ano to, winner take all. Hole number 6, last hole. Be clutch. We need to be clutch. Nice shot. May mulligan pa si Mitch eh. Come on, be an athlete. Be an athlete.
Oh no, yan yung sinasabi ng t-shirt eh.
Gusto may punch out lang natin na fairway. Punch. Okay na yan. Get the ball. 4. Bray. Okay lang yan. Okay. Hindi nag-draw.
Pero ano rin yun, open, pili ko open din yun.
Okay, second shot of Mitch and Andrew taking their second shot. Mitch had to punch out. Maganda yung clear. Clear ang kanyang tira. Okay, that's where Mitch's second shot is. Hindi ko alam yung rule eh. Ganda naman ng tira ni Drew. Shoot sa tubig. Laglag. Yes. Baka may chance na, Doy. We might have a chance. So we're left with 100 yards. Well, 98 yards. Si Mitch, they have to take Mitch's shot. Second shot. Kami, 98 yards. We might have an opening. Patak mo lang. Go! Go please! Or safe mo lang. Tama na. Okay. Okay lang. Okay lang.
Parang sobra. Masyado na bola.
Bite.
Ay, nako. Sumobra yung akin. Joker. Flyer lie actually. This is their third shot. Dikit pa. Nice shot, Mitch.
Mas fake kami, mas fake.
We are in for par. Para shot by Doy. So needed to make this to half the hole. To half the hole! Kitang-kita na naman! Oo nga, may mulligan pa. Sige, para maganda. Tapusin natin yung play of holes. Okay, Drew. To extend the match or to end it ng all square for their par. Nakuha! Mahina.
Last spot, babe.
Gusto niyo yung consistent na player o yung ngayon lang?
Ay, mahina na. Sayang.
Yay! Finally! Good round, buddy. Good round. Good round, Mitch. Ah, finally! It came down to the last putt. Last putt. Kailangan buti nilang clutch yung ano. Nice one, partner. Yay! Tapos na ang sumpa. We are now 1-7. Yeah, finally we won! 1-7 na kami. Okay, ipopost ko to kagad bukas. Nice shot.